Welcome to Play n8n. I'm n8n. Today we're building LinkedIn Post, an AI-powered n8n workflow that automates posting to a LinkedIn organization in real time. It's simple, smart, and efficient. First, let's go ahead and launch a brand new workflow in n8n. Rename it to LinkedIn Post. This will be the central hub for our automated LinkedIn posting. This makes it clear what the workflow does and keeps everything neatly organized. With that in place, we're ready to proceed to the next. First, we add the manual trigger node and label it when clicking Execute Workflow. This lets us test the automation on demand, the perfect starting point before scheduling or external triggers. Step 2. Create a post, LinkedIn. Next, let's add the Create a Post node. This is where we'll configure LinkedIn publishing. Feel free to rename it LinkedIn Post for clarity. Under Credentials, connect your LinkedIn account. Set Resource to Post and Operation to Create. For Post As, choose Organization, then enter your organization URL, in our case, 1712112. In the text field, paste your post content like our title. Sora is OpenAI's cutting-edge text-to-video model. And that's it. Your workflow is now ready to publish directly to your LinkedIn page with one click. Support line, Get Assist. Stuck anywhere or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. You can download the full workflow directly from my GitHub. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel at PlayOnA, youtube.com/PlayOnA. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with n8n Playground.